Hey, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now, and today we'll be talking the latest on HISD's new Level 5 Autonomy and which schools are eligible. We're also spotlighting some of our cross-country stars heading to state, hearing from Lanier Middle School creative writing and speech and debate students, a campus close-up preview, plus the details of a PTA event, fall festivals, and a spooky good time at our schools. Happy Halloween. It is Friday, October 31st. Last week, we announced HISD is exploring a new way to give more autonomy to our top-performing high schools. It's called Level 5 Autonomy and would give eligible principals more flexibility to innovate while preserving their school's unique programs and culture by partnering with organizations or nonprofits to operate and manage the school. An update for you today. Here are the high schools exploring the Level 5 option for next school year. That's Challenge Early College, Energy Institute, Houston Academy for International Studies, and HSPVA. 3 additional schools that are eligible are Carnegie, DeBakey, and Eastwood Academy. They will not move forward for next year and will consider next steps for the 2027-2028 school year. All of these schools have demonstrated years of consecutive A ratings and no major achievement gaps between student groups. Again, this initiative is in the early stages, and we will keep you updated every step of the way. Turning to sports now, it is a big weekend for football with playoff implications on the line. Yates is taking on Washington in the Booker Bryant Classic. Bel Air is going up against Lamar in the Nolan Roper Classic, and Worthing is facing Wheatley. Also, 3 cross-country standouts are heading to the state meet this weekend in Round Rock. Heights, Yates, and Bel Air will represent the district in Round Rock tomorrow. Best of luck to all of these student athletes.
My name is Lamar Smith Jr. I play football, basketball, and track.
And right now on our YouTube channel, we're spotlighting some of our HISD cross-country athletes. The first story features Yates senior Lamar Smith. He is making history as he heads to the state meet. And from Bel Air, senior Safia Hamdani is returning to the state meet for the 4th straight year, hoping to finish her high school career with the championship before heading to college. Go check out both those stories up on the channel right now.
Hey guys, welcome to another week of...
And while you're on the channel, you can check out our conversation with HISD Athletics Director Andre Walker. He stopped by to talk about this weekend's big games and matchups. For Campus Close-Up, all this week, we spotlighted Lanier Middle School. We talked to parents about how they're giving back and supporting their school. We also talked to teachers about what makes teaching in HISD and at Lanier so rewarding for them.
So I had the chance to talk with 3 8th graders from...
And today we're hearing from the students. Lanier Middle School is known for its strong academic programs like GT and IB. And these 8th graders shared some tips and tricks from their creative writing and speech and debate classes. Skills they say are preparing them for life beyond Lanier. That story is up across all of our social platforms. And every story we did this week on Lanier is up on the channel in this playlist titled Lanier Middle School. And next week, Campus Close-Up is highlighting the historic Milby High School located in Houston's East End, a school filled with rich history, traditions, and now an A rating.
What's it like for you on a personal level leading a school that you graduated from? I mean, what's that like?
Well, you know, I'm committed, right? You're committed in the loyalty. You want to give back to the neighborhood and the community that made you and brought you to who you are today. So it's easier for us to understand the kids. And I'm saying us because we're one here at Milby. Over 65% of our teachers are Milby alum, with teachers and paraprofessionals here. So it's a lot of us here that hold that Milby pride and love. It's called the Milby Love.
And we're posting that full conversation with Principal Pena on Monday. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss all the stories from Milby next week. And a shout out to the students and staff over at Thompson Elementary for throwing a successful fall festival. Principal Maya Moore says the event was a hit with her families. They had everything from a karaoke contest, a haunted hallway, lots of games and activities, a free book giveaway, a raffle, a carnival, and so much more. PTA members and any parents looking to get more involved, you don't want to miss this event. HISD's Family and Community Engagement Department, or FACE, is hosting the PTA Partnership Palooza. That is next Friday. It's a great chance to connect with other parents, business partners, and district leaders and share ideas on how to better support your school. It's free to enter, but you're encouraged to register by scanning that QR code. Mark your calendar for Friday, November 7th from 9 a.m. to noon at North Houston Early College. And before we go, check out how some of our HISD schools celebrated Halloween today. From elementary school book character parades to spirited high school homecoming and football festivities, our students got creative while having fun. We hope all of you have a fun and safe Halloween. That does it for us today on HISD Now. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, this weekend we fall back, so change your clocks or just check it on your phone, and we will see you on Monday.